Let's take a quick look at the Bosch Bi-Turbo 7 1/4 sliding single bevel miter saw. This is a very snappy saw. Like, this thing just wants to fly back up. Everything feels extremely high quality though. We have positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5, 31.6, and 45 degrees going both ways. Have your bevel stop over here, 47 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees. Pretty nice dust collection bag in the back. Full 45. Full 47 degree bevel. It is quite limited. Overall, it's a nice little saw. I believe you can still get this on a BOGO if you buy the Pro Factor 8 amp hour battery and charger. You can get this tool for free.